Hello, my name is Will and I'm with Boomi Support. I'm going to demonstrate how to access a document's metadata using a set property shape. This documentation here provides the base properties that can be accessed for a document's metadata. We have the application status code, application status message, business rules result message, listener batch index, listener batch payload sequence, the size, and the try-catch message. I'll be using a pretty simple message shape to create our document today. So I will focus on the size property, which gives the size in bytes. Here I have the process with a message shape with just some very basic data in it that we're going to use for our document. You can see I've added a set property shape with on the canvas here, which is where we'll grab the metadata information. So we'll go in here. So in this set property shape, I'll go ahead and you can see I've already added one here, but I'll go ahead and add a new one just to demonstrate. We want to add a dynamic document property, and we'll give the property a name. So we'll just go test for this purpose. Once that's done, I will select the property here. And then we need to add a property value. So in here, we want to add a document property. And then we want to hit this little magnifying glass in order to choose our property. So we want to switch it from the source type to metadata here, and then the property to size. And you can see that those other properties that I listed earlier are in here. Okay, we'll hit OK, and then parameter value looks good. We'll hit OK again. Because I already have this in here with a different name, that get metadata name, I'm going to cancel out of this. Okay. In order to demonstrate how this works, I added a decision shape in here that references our document's size. So I'll show you that. So if our document size is less than the static value of 35, which is in this case 35 bytes, it will send us to an exception. You can also actually just access the metadata directly in the decision shape. So I can show you how to do that here. So document property, search, document property, metadata, and then you can select here. But for the sake of instruction, I wanted to use the set property shape to show you how to get it in there and then access it in the decision shape. So if our document is greater than 35 bytes, it should send us down the false path and hit this exception. So we can test it out. Go ahead and save and test. Okay, so we hit that exception. Our document size is 36, which is greater than 35, so we're hitting the exception. A use case for this might be if you're using a map shape and need to check if the map is altering the document size in any way. You can check the size before and after the map shape with two set property shapes, then use the decision shape to compare the two. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.